When your Audi warranty expires, does that mean financial disaster is just around the corner? Not necessarily. While some Audis are notorious for expensive repairs, others have proven themselves as remarkably dependable long-term companions. Today, we're counting down the 10 most reliable Audi models that won't drain your bank account after the factory coverage ends. And our top choice has earned a reputation for bulletproof durability that might just shock you. Number 10, 2009 to 2016, Audi Q5 first generation. Starting our countdown is the first generation Audi Q5. The 2.0T delivered 211 horsepower, while avoiding many early adoption issues that plagued other Audi models. The EA888 engine proved relatively robust when maintained properly, and Quattro all-wheel drive remained dependable. Carbon buildup affects direct injection engines around 80,000 miles. Timing chain tensioners occasionally fail, but symptoms appear gradually. Demand maintenance records and listen for timing chain rattle on cold starts. Market prices range from $12,000 to $22,000 US dollars, or $16,000 to $29,000 Canadian dollars. Watch for carbon buildup on direct injection engines, but compared to newer Q5 generations, this original version offers straightforward engineering that's easier on your wallet. Number 9, 2006 to 2013, Audi A4 Avant. The A4 Avant wagon benefits from more careful owners who typically drove gentler and maintained better. The 2.0T engine delivers solid performance when cared for properly. Avant buyers tend to prioritize practicality over performance, resulting in lower stress driving patterns that extend engine life significantly. Carbon buildup remains the primary concern. Manual transmission clutches last 150,000 plus miles when properly maintained. Seek manual transmissions for maximum durability and verify carbon cleaning history before purchase. Pricing sits between $8,000 and $18,000 US dollars, or $11,000 to $24,000 Canadian dollars. The Avant's combination of versatility and relative reliability makes it a smart choice for practical luxury. Number 8, 2004 to 2009, Audi A6C6 3.2 liter. The C6 A6 with 3.2 liter naturally aspirated. V6 produced 255 horsepower. This engine eliminates turbo-related headaches while offering smooth operation and fewer failure points. The port injection system avoids carbon buildup issues entirely, while the robust valve train operates quietly even at high mileage. Multitronic CVT transmission fails frequently and should be avoided completely. Conventional automatic transmissions prove much more reliable. Insist on spring suspension models only as air suspension requires expensive repairs. Expect to invest $7,000 to $15,000 US dollars, or $9,000 to $20,000 Canadian dollars. The key advantage is mechanical simplicity. Fewer complex systems mean lower repair costs down the road. Number 7, 2000 to 2005, Audi TT Mark I 1.8T. The original TT with 1.8T engine producing 180 to 225 horsepower became legendary for tuning potential and fundamental durability. With proper timing belt service, these engines regularly exceed 200,000 miles. The coupe's lightweight construction and balanced chassis create an engaging driving experience that ages gracefully. Timing belt service every 105,000 miles prevents catastrophic failure. Coil pack replacement is typically needed every 60,000 miles. Quattro models are vastly superior to front drive variants. Current values span $8,000 to $16,000 US dollars, or $11,000 to $22,000 Canadian dollars. Timing belt maintenance is critical, but mechanically these cars reward careful ownership with years of reliable service. Number 6, 2012 to 2017, Audi A 3rd generation 1.8T/2.0T. Built on Volkswagen's proven MQB platform, the A3 benefited from shared development costs. The 1.8T variant particularly impresses with its balance of performance and fuel economy. Platform sharing with high-volume Volkswagen models means parts availability remains excellent and costs stay reasonable. Carbon buildup is less severe than previous generations. Dual clutch transmission requires fluid changes every 40,000 miles for longevity. The 1.8T models offer better reliability than 2.0T variants. Pricing ranges from $14,000 to $24,000 US dollars, or $19,000 to $32,000 Canadian dollars. The A3 proves entry-level luxury doesn't mean entry-level reliability when properly maintained. Number 5, 2002 to 2008 Audi A 4B6/B 7 1.8T. The B6/B7. A4 with 1.8T represents Audi's sweet spot of modern features without overwhelming complexity. The 1.8T established itself as one of the most robust turbocharged engines of its era, consistently delivering reliable performance past 200,000 miles. The manual transmission option provides both engagement and durability. Timing belt replacement. Every 105,000 miles is absolutely non-negotiable. Coil packs fail regularly, but cost under $50 each to replace. Manual transmission adds reliability, while Quattro models are worth a premium. Market values sit at $6,000 to $14,000 US dollars, or $8,000 to $19,000 Canadian dollars. These A4s offer genuine luxury with manageable long-term costs. Number 4. 2006 to 2008 Audi A3 second generation 2.0T. The second generation A3 with FSI 2.0T engine avoided many problems that plagued later variants. While carbon buildup occurs, the overall design proved more robust than subsequent generations. The hatchback configuration maximizes practicality while maintaining sporty driving dynamics. Carbon cleaning becomes necessary around 80,000 miles, but is less severe than later engines. Only consider 2006 to 2008 models, as later years introduced problematic updates. Timing chain system proves more reliable than belt-driven alternatives. Pricing spans $8,000 to $16,000 US dollars or $11,000 to $22,000 Canadian dollars. Interior quality remains impressive even after nearly 2 decades of use. Number 3. 1996 to 2004 Audi A4 B5 1.8T. The B5 A4's 1.8T represents turbocharged perfection, simple enough to be reliable, sophisticated enough to be refined. Mechanical Quattro operated without electronic complexity, and these cars regularly achieve 250,000 plus miles. The 5-speed manual transmission shifts smoothly and rarely requires clutch replacement before 150,000 miles. Timing belt service every 105,000 miles prevents catastrophic damage. Regular oil changes extend turbo life dramatically. Manual transmission models are becoming increasingly collectible, and Quattro versions significantly outlast front-drive variants. Current values range from $4,000 to $12,000 US dollars, or $5,000 to $16,000 Canadian dollars. Core mechanical systems prove virtually bulletproof, offering classic Audi character. Number 2. 1995 to 2001 Audi A6 C5 2.8-liter 5.6. The C5 A6 with 2.8-liter V6 eliminated turbo complications while delivering smooth, refined power. Timing chains replaced timing belts, and Quattro remained purely mechanical and trouble-free. The naturally aspirated engine provides linear power delivery and exceptional fuel economy for its size. Many examples exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance alone. Engine and transmission prove virtually indestructible when given proper care. Automatic transmission fluid changes extend life dramatically. Pricing sits between $3,000 and $8,000 US dollars or $4,000 to $11,000 Canadian dollars. The engine and transmission prove nearly indestructible with basic care. Number 1. 1992 to 1997 Audi S4/S 6 C4 2.2-liter turbo. Claiming the crown is the C4 S4/S6 with legendary 2.2-liter 5-cylinder turbo. Simple turbocharging, robust internals, and minimal electronics created a virtually unbreakable powertrain that routinely accumulates 400,000 plus miles. The wastegate-controlled turbo system operates without electronic boost control complications. No timing belt to worry about. The chain system lasts the engine's entire lifetime. Basic fluid changes are sufficient for incredible longevity. Manual transmission is greatly preferred over automatic for maximum durability. Market prices range from $8,000 to $18,000 US dollars, or $11,000 to $24,000 Canadian dollars. No complex electronics to fail, just pure, reliable performance that has stood the test of 3 decades. These 10 Audis prove that German reliability isn't just marketing. When engineers prioritize durability over complexity, remarkable longevity results. The secret lies in choosing simpler powertrains, maintaining them religiously, and understanding that sometimes older designs prove superior to newer alternatives. And with all that, what do you think?